Hello and welcome back to the BEEiLab channel. In today's video, we're delving into the fundamentals of vector data and attribute tables in QGIS. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. In GIS, vector data represents points, lines, and polygons. We can visualize and analyze these spatial features. Each of these features comes with additional information stored in the attribute table. Let's see these concepts by loading vector data into QGIS. After loading a shapefile, accessing the attribute table is simple. Right-click on the shapefile, then select Open Attribute Table. This powerful tool offers a tabular view of the data associated with each feature in our vector layer. Now, let's break down what each row represents. In the attribute table, each row corresponds to a distinct feature or geometry within our vector layer. For instance, if our vector layer contains polygons, each row represents a specific polygon with its unique set of attributes. Columns in the attribute table represent different attributes or properties of the features. In our case, we have columns such as Object ID, Zoning, Created User, Created Date, Last Edit Date, Labels, Shape Area, and Shape Length. These columns hold valuable information about the characteristics and spatial properties of each feature. Now, let's delve into how a record in the attribute table corresponds to a polygon feature on the map. Within the attribute table, you can select a specific row by simply clicking on it. For this demonstration, I'll choose the 11th row. As you can see, this row is now selected. Now, let's head back to the map and observe the highlighted polygon. The highlighted polygon directly corresponds to the 11th row in our attribute table. For a clearer visualization, you can right-click on the shapefile and choose the Zoom to Selection option. This action will automatically zoom in on the selected polygon, providing a more detailed view. This seamless connection between the attribute table and the map allows us to directly link data to its spatial representation. Sometimes you need to edit or update attributes within our spatial data. Navigate to the attribute table, where you can view all the attribute information associated with each feature. On the upper left side of the table, click on the Toggle Editing mode. This step allows us to make changes to the attributes. Locate the cell corresponding to the attribute you wish to modify. For instance, let's say we want to edit the labels column in the first row. Double-click on the cell and a text box will appear, allowing you to type the new value. Press Enter to confirm the change. It's important to exercise caution when editing attributes, especially in larger datasets. Save your edits regularly and consider documenting any changes made. QGIS provides tools for undoing edits if needed. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or need further support, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful tutorials. Stay curious, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.